So shall we start?
We can. I think we can start. It's around 44 students, so okay, no problem. We can start.
Okay, sir. Greetings to one and all.
Hmm.
This is Joel Silas, currently studying in the third year of computer engineering. I extend a warm welcome to each one of you for the valedictory function of the C programming course conducted by the Department of First Year Engineering Sciences, JSPM's JSUE Pune. We express our sincere gratitude to Honorable Principal Sir Dr. R.D. Kanfade for sparing some valuable time from his busy schedule in order to grace this occasion. We are also privileged to have HOD Ma'am, Dr. P.D. Lambate, FE coordinators, and our dear faculty members from the FE department. Now I would like to present a brief report of this course. A free practical-oriented online course to learn the C programming language was conducted under the dominion of the Department of First Year Engineering Sciences for the students in the first year of engineering at JSUE. This course commenced on the 9th of March 2021 and continued up to the 30th of August 2021, and thus it was successfully completed over a period of 6 months, witnessing a strength of about 100 plus student registrations. This course aimed at nurturing the students to develop efficient and effective problem solving skills right from the beginning of their journey of engineering. It played a vital role to encourage and lay the foundation for young minds to develop potential solutions to real world problems. It was observed that in order to produce industry ready engineers that satisfy the demands of the community, traits like perseverance, dedication, and curiosity with technical and non technical skill set, in addition to the actual implementation of the theoretical concepts, needed a boost among the students, indeed to see a better tomorrow. Targeting the knowledge base, our mentor, HOD Ma'am, Dr. Lambate, took the initiative to introduce a course free of cost, emphasizing the practical approach of programming for the students and conducted by a student in order to demonstrate mutual excellence in learning in the domain of computers and technology. Since programming is a tool which not only enables us to solve complications through computers, but it also enhances the aptitude and logical capabilities of us students as programmers. These being the common assets of to almost all branches of study, and hence no barriers were imposed on the branch of engineering to involve students from multiple disciplines. To program specifically in C, considered to be the mother of all programming languages, was the notion since it has its structured applications in domains like system programming, networking, database management, and being a middle level language, it strikes an awesome connect with the platform. It explains the collaboration between software and hardware so that one can perceive the internals and working of the architecture since it assists the implementation of other high-level and object-oriented programming languages pertaining to the industrial perspective and revolution. In view of this vision and mission of empowering students with clarity in programming, I, Joel Silas, was given the privilege and responsibility to train and upskill my juniors from the first year by being their instructor for this course. So online live interactive C programming sessions have been conducted in order to cover almost the complete and necessary C programming syllabus, starting from the very basics and soaring up to a level of advanced programming by incorporating multifarious programming concepts, techniques, and practices to develop reliable, secure, and ethical programs and software. So periodic assignments, interesting quizzes, coding languages, interactive coding challenges, question answer and doubt discussion sessions were organized. Even some of my pre-recorded video lectures were provided for a booster. A kind of learning management system or portal was employed in order to provide a good experience of learning. Further resources and guidelines to excel in this domain were also provided. Student feedback and expectations were considered. Students also submitted an impressive mini project and a mini game as a part of exercising their learning in C language. Finally, an MCQ and programming based final assessment was conducted on the 23rd and 24th of August 2021, in which students have performed fairly well to earn certificates for the same. The outcome of this course is that students have now successfully developed their problem solving, programming sense, and abilities in C language and are able to carry forward and extend its implementation in future as well. I am extremely happy to be a part of this journey, which not only nurtured my juniors, but also helped me polish my very own skills to a great extent in various walks of life. Thank you. Now I would like to request Principal Sir to say a few words.
Can you hear me? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
First of all, I congratulate Joel and first year department, particularly Lambate madam and her team, for the giving the opportunity to all the students to learn through the peer learning concept. Normally, we called it as a peer learning concept, and it is a very strong concept in all are the good institutes in India, USA, or anywhere. In particular in IIT, this concept is widely used and it is very successful one. So the peer learning. So your senior fellow is teaching to you. So advantages of this is it can improve the students' attitude towards the learning because he doesn't hesitate to ask the questions to his colleague. Joel also a student and is a colleague, but a teacher. It can foster the more personalized and learning experience can taken by these participants. It engages the students through the cooperative learning. So in the learning in a group, specific group, it can lead to the higher academic achievement because the participants get the confidence and they can actually by following his senior, following his peer learning, peer teacher, they can also take the same path. It can lead to the higher academic achievements. That's why that we can get the achievement. It can help the peer teachers gain confidence and sharpen their skills. So it helps to the peer teacher also. So Joel also get confident, but the confidence about the how he can teach the C language, he can when we have to teach something to the students, we have to learn more than the what we are learning that time. So the as a learner, it's not difficult, but part teacher is very difficult. But Joel has successfully completed and 100 students have participated. Maximum students are from the computer side. But as Joel rightly said, it is a basic language and it is common for all. Whether he is a pharmacy student, whether he is an engineering student, whether he is a somewhere else, even commerce students. So C language is must nowadays. So that's why this is a very good achievement, and I congratulate once again the all the participants, uh, Joel particularly as well as the first year team, and Lambati madam have taken the lead. While discussing during one meeting, madam actually asked me, she has taken the permission from me, so whether we can go this type of, we can use this approach, and Joel is ready to do it. So I appreciated the efforts taken by all the people. So today, I think they have conduct the test and accordingly the awards may be given. The what are the rankers will be finally, but that is not in last thing. So all participants, those are 100, you have to see your progress in coding throughout the 4 year of journey. So I hope that all 100 students those who have participated with the guidance of the Joel, all will go for the placement and good placement, particularly in coding area, coding or whatever it may be. You can coding is required everywhere. So that is my actually expectations, and the all this group will carry forward. Joel will take one more year, so as a peer learner, peer teacher, and he will help to all the students, whether that is not in branch specific. So once again, I congratulate to both of things, and also thanks to the Joel as well as the first year department. Thank you very much for giving me the opportunity to discuss with you all the my first year fellow, because we are not met in any not any for any minute for this in during this academic sorry pandemic situations. So we are expecting within 2 3 months or 4 months we can meet it. But okay, at least we are meeting in online. So I conclude my two things. I uh, actually present my thanks to the coordinators as well as the Joel. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for your encouraging words and guidance. Now, the results of the C programming course will be
Mm.
announced as
Yeah.
per the performance in the assessment. So, actually, there are three positions, first, second, and third, as per their rank and score. So, I'll be announcing them one by one. So, at the third position, we have Gaurav Agarwal, who has scored 85% in the assessment.
Oh, okay.
Yes, and then in the second position, actually, we have a tie between two persons. So the first is Rishikesh Bhosle, who has scored 93% in the assessment.
Mm.
And along with him, we have Pratik Gupta, who has also scored 93% in the assessment.
Okay.
And then the first position, who has scored the maximum among all the students, is Mahendra Shirsagar, who has scored an aggregate of 95% in this course throughout. So
Congratulations to all
congratulations.
these four students. Mm.
Yes,
Congratulations to all of them.
Thank you,
yes,
ma'am.
congratulations to each one of you all. And now we'll be discussing that who is the best performer of the C programming course, who has fared really well throughout, who has completed the assignments, and who has always been prompt in interacting with me and always clarified his doubts. So the best performer of this course will be presented the notes of data structures and algorithms. These are the industry level notes, not just
Mm.
for your common programming, as well as Python programming notes. As we know that Python programming can be extended to machine learning, artificial intelligence, data science. So it will be really helpful for you. And also interview preparation guide so that you can nicely give your interview rounds or even coding rounds. So the best performer of this course is again Mahendra Shirsagar. As I mentioned earlier, he has fared really well and he has stood up to my expectations. So, congratulations to you once again, and I wish you a bright future. Now, all those who have passed the assessment, I will be giving you all your certificates. So, I'll just show you the sample certificate. You'll be receiving it on your registered email ID within 2 to 3 working days. So this is the certificate that Mahendra is going to get. So in place of his name, you will have your name.
सगळे पाठवलं का तुम्हाला mail मी?
So you will be having your
3
passing
वाजता
score and also that you have been enrolled in the C programming course conducted by the Department of First Year Engineering Sciences by JSPM's JSU.
आता एक आहे याची
Also, you will get your project submission certificate indicating that you have successfully implemented what you have learned through mini projects. And if you have completed all the assignments, quizzes, you have submitted all the assessments and all, you will be getting the course completion certificate. This course has lasted for 6 months, right from March to August, so it will be certified for you. Now, all these are the winners who have qualified and are eligible for the certificates. So we have about more than 20 participants, and you'll be receiving the certificate on your email ID. So congratulations to all the participants once again, not only for scoring well, but also for learning something. Now I would request some of the students to give their honest feedback, your suggestions or your comments or whatever you wanted to express so that we can, so that you can express your views. So I would request, yes,
Meanwhile,
sir.
Joel, I want to know that these four and this list you have shown the number of students are from which branch? Can you
Yes, sir.
identify? Some of them are from electronics or mechanical.
So the first three winners, Mahendra is from computer department.
Ah,
Pratik is also from computer or IT, I guess.
Uh,
And Gaurav Agarwal is also from computer and IT, I guess. I think all of them are from computer or IT.
so what it shows, the those who are in computer department, they have taken admission as a computer and IT. They have concentrated more on C language, right?
Yes, sir.
Other students have not concentrated on that, but they have the potential. All the students, those who are studying for the electronics or mechanical or electrical, they have also the potential in the coding. So hereafter, you also try to concentrate on this. Okay, so they partially concentrated on this course. I think that's my just observation. So I may suggest the all the 100 students, those who are participated in course, are requested to do not discontinue this activity. Continue this activity and timely, Joel, you can conduct the sessions 15 days or just review sessions or some quiz or some small type of activity you can conduct on based on this C programming. So it will continue it further.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can keep it this 100 pool of 100 students towards the final till the final year. We can continue. Okay.
Okay, sir. I'll definitely do that.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. For comments from the feedback from the students.
So anyone can start to give their feedback. Anyone?
Hello everyone. Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Okay, so good afternoon everyone.
Prahlad, please on your video also.
Okay, I'll try. Am I visible?
Yes, you are.
Yes, ma'am. So I would like to thank Joel for his a continuous dedication on this course. I would also like to thank Poonam ma'am for providing this course to us. And I have learned a lot in C because of him, and it is very helpful in C++ while I'm learning in second year. So I'd like to thank him, and I'd like to thank college for providing this course to us. Thank you.
Thank you, Prahlad. Anyone else?
Yes, me, Abhinandan Jain.
Yes.
At first, when Poonam ma'am launched the program as a experiment that if students are wishes to join it, but it just a good one. We learnt a lot. Joel Bhaiya take much efforts for it. If the students are less attending the lecture, still he used to conduct the lecture and record the lecture, so students can watch it later and manage their time schedules. He also provided notes and time to time quizzes, so can we can furnish our knowledge. It is just the best one, and he also mentored us properly. Thank you.
Thank you so much. It really means a lot. Yes, anyone else?
Hello, my name is Rushikesh Bhosle and I am from SIT branch. I enjoyed the course and learned a lot from it. Excellent sessions provided every valuable of information for my career. All my concepts were clear. Classes with Joel Dada have been so worthwhile. He has an amazing way of breaking things down so that they are understandable and always giving it light and fun. So thank you Joel Dada for all your hard work you put into it and for such an excellent teaching. Last but not least, I would like to thank our respected Principal Dr. Kanpade sir and HOD Poonam Lambatte madam and all those who put efforts for organizing such a course in college. Thank you.
Thank you to you also. Yes, anyone else?
Hello.
Yes.
Hello. Good afternoon, everyone. This is Shivani Sawant from SC Computer. Today, I'm glad that I got chance to speak to thank our college, our respected principal, our HOD, and also Joel for such a good learning opportunity. I really want to say it was very informative as well as interesting course, and I got to learn a new computer language. And I really specially want to thanks Joel, because he taught us and guided us very friendly, in very friendly and understandable manner. He really solved our doubts in given particular time, or he replied uh, us back. And it was really fun learning C language, and I gained a lot of knowledge. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Shivani. Next.
Hello, am I audible properly?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, I am Pratik Gupta. Good afternoon, respected sir, HOD ma'am, and all kind teachers and one and here. So this C program course was a great journey for us, and Joel Bhai had to take great efforts, and completed the course successfully. And it was a very interactive session also. But unfortunately, I missed some live lectures. But Joel Bhai provided us the recordings, and which was in a structured and well-mannered way, and it helped a lot us, and it helped a lot to us. And I'm I'm more interested in such type of sessions in future also. Thank you very much, HOD ma'am and Bhaiya, for this session and for your support also. Thank you.
Yes, we will definitely conduct such lectures in future also. Does anyone else want to give any feedback? Anyone? Okay, so if no one else wants to say anything, then I think I would like to propose the vote of thanks. Just a minute.
Joel,
Yes, ma'am.
just a minute. I want to say something.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Lambate madam, your comments, please. लंबाते मैडम बोलता है ना?
Yeah. Yes. Good afternoon, one and all. So today's guest for C programming course valedictory function, that is Honorable Dr. Kanpade sir, my colleagues who are there today, and my dear students who have completed the C programming course under the guidance of the Joel. He has done very great work, really, and the rigorous work he has done for the student, and that all things will be benefit for him. All the students will having the benefit of this. This is nothing but peer-to-peer learning, where students gave some courses done by student to this student. It's really the first trial whichever we have done was a great trial. And yes, even I will say with the Joel, we need few more students from the second year that they can help him for such type of courses. So you have done under the Joel, but now even you student, from student we want some student that they will conduct such type of courses. Now we have done for C, then we can go for the C++ simultaneously. Also Python syllabus is there, which is limited till only 6 units, but more than that, the advanced Python also we can start with it. We can start some HTML course, we can do some such type of courses in the first year itself. So I want the students from the second year who are now in second year, it may be IT, it may be computer, it may be electrical, ENTC or mechanical. Whoever having the knowledge of that respective course can come forward and help Joel, keeping hand in hand to start with this such type of courses, and make learn our junior, which is not there in the syllabus, but which is really important according to the industrial point of view. So I would like to say thanks very much to the Joel that he has done a very great job taking the course C programming, and I thanks first of all Kanpade sir that he has given the permission, and then we went ahead. Also Sawan sir said that yes, Lambate ma'am, go ahead, it's very good job that you're going to do it. And because of this, the first trial was very good, that 100 participant, there were more participants that they want to join, but because of limited students that we have taken for this course, so the 100 was the fix. And I request Joel, and instead of only Joel, that should be a team members, that they can start more guiding the students for the peer-to-peer learning. Okay, so with this, I would again say thanks to the Joel, and thanks to all the participants who has participated, and congratulations for the winner as well as the participant students that who has cleared this C programming course. With this few words, I would like to say thanks to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So now I will propose the vote of thanks. So I appreciate the initiative taken by HOD ma'am, Dr. P.D. Lambate, supported by the Program Assessment Committee, which has provided each one of us with a golden opportunity to upskill ourselves free of cost. I express my sincere gratitude to Principal Sir, Dr. R.D. Kanpade, and Campus Director, Dr. S.K. Sawant Sir, for granting the permission in order to conduct this C programming course. And last but not the least, I am thankful to my juniors for participating in this course enthusiastically to accomplish their desire to gain substantial knowledge along with proper understanding. I hope that this journey of learning has guided us to expand the horizon of our knowledge. Thank you once again for making this a huge success. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, Joel. Thank you, all of you.
Thanks to all. We conclude this meeting here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, thanks. Thanks.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.